You may think prunes are just dried fruits. Yes, you are right. They are just dried fruits, but they can prevent you from colon cancer. Prunes can lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Prunes may prevent you from osteoporosis. Now, let me explain what I postulated. Prunes are reported to exhibit numerous therapeutic properties including antioxidant, antidiabetic, anticancer, as well as cardioprotective, gastroprotective, laxative, and neuroprotective agents. In individuals with infrequent stool habits and low fiber intake, prunes significantly increased stool weight and frequency and were well tolerated. Dried prunes contain approximately 8 grams of dietary fiber per 100 grams. Prune also contains sorbitol. Its latexive action is explained by these composition. Not only prunes, but even prune juice is effective against constipation because high sorbitol content. That's why wise parents are giving prunes juice to their kids when they are constipated. Prunes' direct effects in the gastrointestinal tract include prevention of constipation and possibly colon cancer. Additionally, prunes contain neochlorogenic and chlorogenic acids, which may aid in the laxative action and delay glucose absorption. That's why even prunes contain high level of carbohydrates. It doesn't increase glucose level in the blood, because its absorption is delayed. Carbohydrates absorption is delayed also because of high fiber, fructose, and sorbitol content. Snacking on dried plums may increase satiety and reduce the subsequent intake of food, helping to control obesity, diabetes, and related cardiovascular diseases. Despite their sweet taste, dried plums do not cause large postprandial rise in blood glucose and insulin. Due to the presence of phytocomponents, polyphenols, flavonoids, which attributes for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, prunes can decrease inflammation and prevent many chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases. Here, prunes are not special. Other fruits also contain polyphenols and flavonoids, such as apple, berries, raisins, apricot, dates. Phenolic compounds in prunes had been found to inhibit human LDL oxidation in vitro, and thus might serve as preventive agents against chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, high potassium content of prunes might be beneficial for cardiovascular health. Dried prunes are an important source of boron, which is postulated to play a role in prevention of osteoporosis. A serving of prunes, 100 grams, fulfills the daily requirement for boron 2 to 3 milligrams. Prunes acts as strong prebiotic. Intake of prunes for 4 weeks substantially increases the numbers of beneficial bacteria such as bifidobacterium and lactobacillus, while lowers harmful bacteria levels, like Escherichia coli and Clostridium perfringens. Such prebiotic action of prunes help with various digestive problems and even boost your immune system. Consuming dried plums may help slow the development of atherosclerosis. According to researchers, it lowers fraction of cholesterol, LDL level, which is responsible on atherosclerosis formation. The characteristic phenolic compounds and their metabolites may also act as antibacterial agents in both gastrointestinal and urinary tracts. Here, we should mention prunes, which are industrially obtained by dehydrating fresh plums at 85 to 90 degrees Celsius for 18 hours, contain higher levels of phenolic compounds than most other fruits. Or prunes, which is dehydrating on lower temperature at home,